UI design and its benefits. What is UI design? The user interface, UI, on the other hand, is the process of improving the presentation and the interactivity of the web or mobile application. It focuses on the app's look and interacts with the users. Each screen, page, buttons and other visual elements you see while using an application is the user interface of that application. Why UI designs with ultimate user experience are important. UI designs are concentrated on enhancing user experience and their direct or indirect interaction with you. While an appealing look may compel visitors to stay longer on your site, the user experience brings them again to your site. Ultimately, users prefer convenient, easy to navigate, and simple designs for transactions. For any product, physical or digital, it needs to be valuable. It doesn't matter if an app is functional and beautiful, it first and foremost needs to be addressing a user need, or else it's useless. This is why finding market fit and talking to people to validate whether or not your idea works while also defining your user base in the process is a crucial step to having a profitable product. Accessible. If you want your app to reach lots of people, you can't be thinking about edge cases. In UX design, the goal is to not have edge cases but to consider as many types of users who would benefit from using your product. You should clearly define all of your intended users and start with people who have the most defined and specific needs. Once your intended users are satisfied, scale up and design for different kinds of users. Intentional. As a designer, we need to make decisions. Our designs should be grounded on a solid rationale behind what the problem is, and who our users are. How will our decisions influence their experience, solve their pains and achieve their goals? Is this something that will help them get to point A to point B as painlessly as possible? What will they think, do at this step of the experience? Designers need to be able to answer these kinds of questions clearly and confidently. Intuitive. When people interact with apps, they shouldn't think about what they are doing, but to just do what they need to do in achieving their goals. Designers need to think about how the user will interact with the app and minimize the amount of time it takes for them to complete tasks. Invisible. Following intuition. Good design is when users don't even need to think about what they're using, let alone how it is designed. They just use it and it feels instinctual. Beautiful. If you have an app that is based on a core need and is functional, you are 50% there. If you want to have a competitive edge over other products and have your customers invested in your brand, the app needs to be elegantly designed. Beautiful designs can be a double-edged sword. They can make inherently hard experiences effortless by guiding the user or highlighting important information, or they can complicate experiences by not offering affordances or don't meet accessibility guidelines due to looking too flashy.